ORISHIKI Eyelid Skin Film. Apply. Then dry. For defined, natural-looking double eyelids. New ORISHIKI liquid allows you to create defined double eyelids more easily. Find your ideal crease line. Tuck in the line using the stick provided. The ideal crease line is where you can hold the crease when you tuck in the line with the stick. Hold your chin up while looking down at a mirror to keep the eyelids crease-free. Leave a distance of 1 mm from the natural lash root. Apply ORISHIKI liquid up to the desired crease line. The key to achieving a beautiful finish is to apply it evenly. Close your eyes and wait 30 seconds until it dries. Touch with your finger to confirm it is completely dry. ORISHIKI liquid transforms into transparent synthetic skin film when dried. Defined crease lines appear by opening your eyes slowly as the synthetic skin film folds into the upper part of eyelids. Double eyelids are created naturally. Defined, natural-looking double eyelids. Transforms single eyelids into defined double eyelids. Transforms hidden double eyelids into defined double eyelids. Lifts droopy hooded eyelids and creates a brighter impression. No adhesive used. That is why it feels light and looks natural. ORISHIKI Eyelid Skin Film.